Who was the king of Rolling Loud? First it was XXX. Then it was Travis Scott. Is Playboi Carti the current king of Rolling Loud? When I go to Travis Scott's performances on Rolling Loud, they say Carti's better. But then people say Carti be screaming all the time. The rock stuff may get old after a couple of years before Travis Scott come out with Utopia. But then you got XXX. Then you got Lil Uzi Vert. Who is the king of Rolling Loud now? What y'all think? Me personally, I would say Carti, just because he's new and he has the rock vibe. But how long is that gonna last with screaming? Then you got Travis Scott. Then you got Utopia that's about to come out. Or is it still XXX? Who is the king of Rolling Loud? Peace.